Welcome to Summarize Science. Today we are looking at a fascinating new project called Sketch 2RT. This system is designed to solve a huge problem in the world of 3D design: how to make static objects move realistically. Creating movement, or articulation, for 3D models like cars or furniture is usually a very technical and manual process. Designers often have to define every hinge and sliding track by hand, which takes a lot of time and expertise. The researchers behind Sketch 2RT realized that people naturally express how things should move using simple drawings. The core idea is to let a user simply sketch directly over a 3D model to show what they want. By drawing an arrow or a line representing a hinge, the user communicates their design intent without needing complex tools. This makes the process of adding motion to a 3D object feel much more like sketching on a piece of paper. The system uses a smart neural network to look at both the 3D shape and the user's sketch at the same time. It can identify exactly which part of the object should be moving, such as a microwave door or a car trunk. It also predicts whether that part should rotate around a hinge or slide along a straight line. Look at this car model as an example of how versatile the system can be. Depending on how the user sketches the arrow, the same door can be made to open normally, swing backward, or even lift up like a butterfly door. This level of control is achieved progressively, meaning you can add one moving part after another. But what if the 3D model is just an empty shell with nothing inside? Sketch 2RT can actually hallucinate or generate the missing internal structures that are revealed when a part moves. It uses generative 3D models to ensure that the new parts fit perfectly within the existing geometry. In these examples, you can see how the system fills in the gaps for things like drawers or cabinet interiors. It ensures that the generated parts don't bump into the rest of the model as they move. This makes the final result look like a complete, professionally engineered object. The system is surprisingly good at generalizing to all sorts of different objects. It has been tested on everything from washing machines and toilets to complex vehicles like motorcycles and jeeps. Even for uncommon objects like windmills, the AI can produce plausible movements without needing specific training for that category. To make this possible, the team built a new dataset called Sketch Mobility. It contains over 5,000 fully articulated shapes spanning 48 different categories to help the AI learn. When compared to other top-tier systems, Sketch 2RT proved to be significantly more accurate. It offers much better control because the user's sketch acts as a direct guide for the movement. As we wrap up, let's recap the big picture of this research. Sketch 2RT turns simple 2D drawings into complex 3D mechanical motions and even builds the internal parts to match. In the future, this could make it incredibly easy for anyone to create interactive virtual worlds or design real-world products. It is a huge step toward making high-quality 3D animation accessible to everyone. Thanks for watching Summarize Science.